Ruhonge ruria ruramataga maria maturigiciirie niruritie andu aria maikaraga hakuhi na njui kuimenyerera kuona mbura nyingi iria iraura ni iratuma njui kuna na gucungiriria muiyuro wa maai uria uroka ukuite tiri muingi mahiga ona miti. Twarithia othe a ngari na fikifiki aria marahuthira kundu kwarahite maai ni moritio gukorwo na ukiriririe makihuthira barabara iria ciarahite maai na oho makorio kwaga gukira barabara kuria kuri na muiyuro. Oho ni moritio guthiaga thibidi itari nene niguo kungiumira muiyuro kana mwaraho wa maai ni raithi mundu kurumia ngari kana fikifiki iria aratwarithia. Ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune niruritie andu aria mari kundu kuri na muiyuro guthamira kundu kwiyoete iguru kuona inji ithathatu cia maai marathi no maguthererie.
It starts raining and water starts flowing on our roads and we start walking. It's always important to remember that any water levels beyond 6 inches. 6 inches is just above the ankle, or immediately you see your shoe is submerged. Then that water is potentially dangerous.
Oho ni wega kuhoragia thitima riria kwagia na muiyuro na ni ugwati gutwarithia ngari kundu kuri na muiyuro o hamwe na gwithema waya cia thitima iria igwite. Ni wagiriirwo ni kumenya uria ruhonge rwa urathi wa riera rurauga undu wigie mbura.
Individuals or as groups we need to have a situational awareness of the effects of the water which basically comes after the rains, and this we can do by being aware or having the correct information all the time. And this we can be able to catch very easily through looking at the meteorological weather predictions and understanding them, because we are usually told that anything beyond 20-30 millimeters of rain will result into floods, especially in the urban areas.
Oho ni wagiriirwo ni kumenya njira iria urahuthira hindi ya mbura niguo gwithema muiyuro.
Of floods, but in areas which are not known and then we start experiencing floods, the immediate signs of floods is when you see water coming into areas which normally don't experience any water flow when it is raining. As simple as that. That is flooding. For example, in the house, that is basically flooding. Now, once you notice those signs, then it is very important to make the house as safe as possible.
Andu ni moritio gutia mikana iria maraheo mahinda kwa mahinda nginyagia mbura ino ihuahuwe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiyuro.